We are here at this absolutely beautiful Alvar, the magnificent view in front of us. I'm here with the beautiful Josie. How are you doing?
Very good. Thank you, Brandon. Thank you for having us and coming today.
Today we're going to be learning all about Alvar. Alvar is the top of the tippity top of the luxury condos on the Pacific side, and specifically here in Quivira, it is as good as it gets when it comes to condos. Actually has the exact same architect, and I believe even the same building crew as St. Regis. The only difference between Alvar and St. Regis is Alvar is moving quite quickly, whereas St. Regis is a little on the slow side. Basically sold out except for 2 towers. 5 towers are completely constructed. There's only 2 towers that are left, which is Tower 6 and Tower 7. And now if you're buying from the developer, you have an extremely long wait time, whereas the 3 properties that I'm gonna be showing you today are completely finished. They're ready to go. And actually 2 of these even have financing available, which out of all the Alvars available, there's only 2 that have financing. And we're gonna start off with one that doesn't have financing, but honestly is gorgeous, turnkey, and absolutely beautiful unit. So without any more delay, here we go. This is actually one of the nicest Alvars I've seen. I see the hurricane shutters here. The interior designer did an excellent job. You've got the granite there on the back wall there.
You are correct. They thought of every little detail. This condo comes fully furnished and it's ready to live. Some of the developer upgrades that they did is the barbecue area right here in front of us. We did the bar over here.
Yeah, you can tell that this was done by a professional. Obviously, they did the upgraded Viking appliances.
Sellers picked all of the colors for the tiles in the bathrooms and the kitchen.
It has a beautiful wood ceiling with the indirect lighting, which I'm in love with. As you come in, you're getting this beautiful mirror. You can look at yourself.
Yes.
Nothing's too crazy. Sometimes you get into a house and they put gray and orange. And I'm like, guys, you cut your market down to a tiny little sliver now. If you keep everything pretty neutral.
No, this one, they made sure everybody loves it.
How many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, how big is this unit?
Okay, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom unit to a 3.5. You have a powder room right in the entrance. It is 2,260 square feet of living space plus 950 square feet of terrace.
That's a big terrace. That's why it feels so much bigger actually.
Yeah. It's perfect for a second home actually too. You know, it's not that big that you have to take a lot of maintenance, but it's also not small like a lot of the 3-bedrooms that are building now that are in the range of 1,700 square feet. This one feels perfect.
Gorgeous. I love the little swing here, but as you can see, it's also set up for a jacuzzi if you wanted a jacuzzi. It's plumbed. We've got water, electric.
And then the unit comes with 2 underground parking spaces, and they have a big storage unit as well. Alvar will have their own clubhouse. It is going to be ready in 1 year and located right next to Building 7.
You can literally walk on the golf course from here. The owner's beach club is right there. And actually you've got city view as well. And of course, you know, being Alvar, you're gonna get priority over the other communities like Mavilla or something like this, because this is the top of the top. As far as condos go, the king. Obviously, you're getting access to the Quivira golf course, which is like number 95 in the world.
Not to mention also the Q Life. The Q Life program that has activities for all the owners that they promote weekly. They have also once a month getting all the owners together so that they can meet each other and create a community. Yeah. So that's what we love about Quivira.
There's pickleball every morning. When it's high season, we have a Texas Hold'em every week. It's a community. Also, the secondary golf course coming in, what's that gonna do to prices here? Up, 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 up. Average appreciation here, if you don't know, is 15% compounded every year, right under 3 million. That means in 5 years, $6 million. That's a very good appreciation. That's one of the highest in the world, actually.
CABOONE in the house. Welcome.
Actually, that's good. That might be on every video now. Look at the view from there. You're gonna be looking over there, just relaxing, some bath salts, candles, some...
It feels like a house, like 2,300 square feet living space.
And I mean, you got his and hers, so we're not fighting over anything here. So now we are here in this beautiful number 2, which really has as good a view as the living area or as the primary, maybe better than the primary, I don't know.
Right, I was just thinking that. You walk the hallway, very private, but it has an amazing terrace as well. And you don't see anyone except for the golf course and the ocean.
Again, his and her sinks.
Yes, and the accent walls that every one of the bedrooms has is pretty cool. That as owners, they get to pick the ones that they want, and they've just done a stellar job here on this condo.
Very nice, yes. And when you think about this actually versus the developer's at a higher price, and you have to wait. This house is gorgeous. I have no doubt that this is going to sell extremely fast. Guys, if you are interested, you better jump. Guys, that was an absolutely beautiful 3-bedroom. Now, I also have another 3-bedroom, very similar to that. Also, it is a penthouse. It is non-furnished, but I have a guy that can do the furnishings however you like in that same style for about $150K. So depending whether you want something, boom, that's ready to go, or if you want something where you gotta decide exactly how the interior is done. Guys, we're here in this beautiful 4-bedroom penthouse located in Alvar. This is the top of the top. This is a 4-bedroom penthouse, which of course is what we like. This same property with the developer is now 3.8 million. We're asking 2.99. And guess what else, guys? Out of every other condo inside Alvar, we're the only ones offering financing. 2 million down. We'll carry the balance as long as you need. Guys, this is a steal. It's already priced to sell. We want a very quick sell on this. And if you look right behind me, we have all 4 views. We have ocean view, we have golf view, we have sand view, and we have city view. We have everything here. We're also plumbed for the jacuzzi here. We've got the mini bar over here. We've got all of your gas appliances, underground parking. Of course, you're getting access to the Quivira golf course, and we have the secondary golf course coming in shortly here as well. If I'm driving, 7 minutes to downtown. If Saul's driving, 6 minutes to downtown. Alvar is gonna actually have its own amenities and things of this nature, but you get access to the Quivira Owners Beach Club as well. Guys, this is a deal. Check the comps, and you're not gonna find a better deal than this, especially with financing. Let's go. Now, on the other 2 that I have, we actually have financing. So on those, we are priced just a little bit below. On that 3-bedroom, we're priced about 100,000 below, and we're gonna offer 1 million in financing. So basically 2.7, you show me the down payment that I want, I give you the terms that you want. So you have 3 amazing options to choose from. And again, once you compare this to the developer, you're gonna have a lot better return with these properties. Of course, I mean, these are ready to go now. You have no wait time, and we have financing, whereas the developer has no financing. You can really leverage your money, and meaning you can let the renters go ahead and pay off that extra mil for you, which of course is the way we like to do it, right? So if you wanna check out those other properties, you simply go to our website here, hot listings. Guys, whatever you need, we can help, and I hope to see you soon. Give me a call, +1 360 442 9701, or www.caboone.com, Instagram BK Cabo, YouTube BK Cabo, and I'll see you on the next video.